Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about the following mini vehicle here. So now let's check with me with lot of vehicle here. Now start checking. From the first one is airplane, a big airplane, a big truck, logistic truck. About this one, monster truck, mini monster truck, everybody, mini monster truck. Super motorbike, yellow color. Bulldozer. About this one, leather truck, How about this? Another bulldozer, Racing car. It is also a police racing car, green color. Hello Captain America, everybody, with a strong cashier. You can see here. Now check the next one. Police car, white color. Monster truck, cute monster truck. A nice monster truck. Mini airplane, white color. About this one, cute police car. Okay, checking a cute police car. Now see another one, monster truck. Cute monster truck. About this, super motorbike, green color. The next one, racing car number 9. Supercar. About this, helicopter, nice helicopter, red color. About this one, yellow bus, everybody. Okay, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.